Been a test of the emergency alert system for the Kern County area. This system is used for warning and essential safety information during emergencies. This is only a test. Had this been an actual alert and official messages would follow the alert code. This test is originated from the Kern County Office of Emergency Services Warning Center in Bakersfield, California. This concludes the monthly test for the Kern County area emergency alert system.
That's an interesting position to be.
And that, my friends, was Kern County's monthly test off KNZR and KERN. Well, KERN relayed first. Alright. We're just talking about catching Kern County's test on Radioactive Girl 00 server. Might as well update my status because I caught Kern County's, next is Los Angeles County. Los Angeles County. Done. Los Angeles County is next. It's kind of out of focus, but whatever. But it says Los Angeles County is next. Anyways, well, that's Kern County's test. Up next, Los Angeles County's test at 4:25 a.m. Bye now.